Hey guys, what's going on? Today I got another MonoPrice cable for you. Today we have the 3.5mm to 3.5mm 25-foot MonoPrice audio cable. As you can see, both are gold plated. Strain relief. Now, if you saw my other video, the 2RCA to 3.5mm cable, this cable is very similar, except it's got two 3.5mm cables. I should say connectors. I apologize. This has the same two individual cables connected to one. They're both 22 gauge. And like the other one, it is built very well. Only complaint I have are the connectors are slightly loose on some jacks. Just slightly, not much. But it does not degrade the sound quality. Other than that, I can't think of anything else to say. Except I would strongly recommend, if you're looking for a good quality 3.5 to 3.5mm audio cable, I would go with them. Unless you're wanting to pay the big bucks for Monster. Which I cannot attest to Monster's quality, since personally I cannot afford a Monster cable. These lengths will run anywhere from, I believe it's half a foot to 100 feet. You have almost any kind of length you can think of, really, that you could ever need. But anyway, here's a short review of MonoPrice 25-foot 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. Later, guys.